Specialty film zipper pouches by ClearBags are a unique packaging solution. These bags are designed with a clear front window to see the contents inside and feature a resealable, airtight zipper to keep contents fresh. The inside and back panels feature a variety of colorful options. These bags have plenty of space between the zipper and the round hang hole for heat sealing. This provides a tamper-resistant closure, which is ideal for a retail environment. Tear notches allow for easy opening after purchase. The Holographic Stars pouch is an opaque black with holographic stars. The Holographic Ice pouch is a two-tone silver, and the glitter pouch features superfine glitter that shines from all angles. Available in 3 stock pattern options and a variety of sizes, these bags are perfect for sweets and baked goods, cosmetics, crafts, pet treats, spices, mixes, and more. A round hang hole makes it ideal for retail display. Expanding bottom gussets allow the bag to stand on its own once filled. Be unique with specialty film zipper pouches by ClearBags.